Hello and welcome. Today I have created a game with the help of ChatGPT. Here is what happened. So basically, I went to ChatGPT and asked, help me to create a simple game called Feed the Cat, which can be displayed on browser and mobiles. ChatGPT started to give me HTML code, CSS code, and also JavaScript. So I have started to play around the code and keep backward and forward. So I spent a couple of hours tweaking the game. So basically, I have ended up with the file, so which I have tested, which works really great. So what I did is, so this is a game. You can see the game. It's simple layout as a background. I asked again ChatGPT to create a background for me, and it designed. So I have a meme code coming up. So that's GINXCAT. So that's a game that we are building towards this game. So basically, yeah. So I have worked a couple of hours to tweak this game. So basically, click on the start. Then the food will falling down. The cat need to catch it. So as soon as you catch it, the scores will update it. There you go. You got some sound as well. If you catch it, it's a different sound. If you miss it, that's a different sound. So you can see the scores are updating. And also it works on touchscreen as well. So you can use the keyboard as well if you wanted to. Once it's finished, you can, it will give you a score. So it says game over. The food island collected 43. The final score is 4,300. The simple game. So I'm not very good at development. I know basic coding, but I'm not a developer at all. So basically, ChatGPT helped me to get this code. There are so many backward and forward, so I have to keep going and asking ChatGPT to tweak the code. You can see, so many tweaks. I went backward and forward. Even I asked ChatGPT how I um, integrated this one into our website. This is our website, so I have went ahead and bought a domain in namecheap.com, and also the domains I have used website builder. This is a website builder. I have created a simple website. Is down here. I have integrated here with iframe down here as well. So you can see, double click. I have put all the coding that it's on my website. So I have to upload all the games into the root file. So basically, if you want to integrate, you have to put all the games, all the assets in the root file, then you can play. So basically, I went and updated the website. That's what we're doing with the Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, and play game. So once you upload it, this is how the website looks. So when we launch, our contract cat is going to go here. So GINXCAT on Solana, GINXCAT. Basically, GINXCAT is one of the famous cat that we are seeing on the internet. It's viral. So you can see the play GINXCAT game. You can play the game on the website itself. You can see a Solana coin. You can catch it. So yeah, you can hear the sound as well. You can play the game. If you miss 3 items, then the game's gonna stop. Then you can see what's new, to the moon, wag me. So what we're gonna do with the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, how to buy, and some of them, and all our socials, Telegram, TikTok, Twitter, and you can play the game full screen as well if you wanted to. So this is a full screen. Yeah, so this is a simple setup. So this is a launch. Coin is going to be launched very soon, probably within 24 to 48 hours. So if you are early, please do follow up. So we are here to stay. So that's a quick update. Chat GPT is endless. You can do anything that you can with this website, and play around, and AIs to the future. I'd like to see another video. Thanks for watching.